My garden family, welcome to the channel. I just wanted to talk about this. When you see these holes, or you see where something has been eating up your vegetables, I'm going to show you how to inspect your vegetables. Now, the Swiss chard, for some reason, they really don't mess with the Swiss chard as much as they do the mustards and the kales, okay? So basically you inspect your plants every day when you go out into your garden. You don't just go out there and say, oh, you got to go out there and literally inspect and touch every single leaf, okay? Especially where you see there's a situation. And you look behind the leaves, because when you look underneath the leaves, the moths are smart enough to go up under there and drop their eggs, okay? So the moths go under there and they drop their eggs. And sometimes you'll see the eggs lined up against the spine of the actual leaf. After they drop their eggs, the eggs, of course, do what they do, and they start off as a little tiny green worm. And those green worms get bigger and bigger and fatter as they eat up your greens. So today I inspected these greens, and I found a big old fat one over here. And over here I found a little old tiny little baby. And the little baby, she was, doing her thing too. I don't know how long she was sitting on there, but she's been on there long enough to cause some damage. And so, always inspect your plants. Always look underneath the leaves, on the front of the leaves, on the back of the leaves. And look for this light green little worm. Now, I don't have a worm to show you, unfortunately, because I don't make it a habit of, okay, let me get the, I just wasn't grabbing the camera when I saw the worms. Now, I could probably come over here and inspect, and I might actually catch a worm. But, like I said, I've already done my inspection, and I thought I got all of those little grubs that I saw. Okay, and again, they start off as these little green things, and they will literally desecrate your crops if you don't pay attention. So remember to always do your best, be blessed, and inspect your plants.